Let's try another list with specific items hard-coded directly in the program. In my next example, named Python list int.py, I am creating a list of integers. If I run this program, it prints 10, 20, 30 enclosed in square brackets. This type of output is chosen because it is easy to use when designing and debugging the code. However, we may wish to display one item at a time instead. How would we do it? So this time we use square bracket and index notation to print individual items. For example, print index 1 and print index 2 yield the results like this. It is very important to remember that index 1 is not an index of the first or initial element of the list. The first item in the list has index 0. Okay, just remember this, and now if I run it again, I get this output which prints all three integers in our list. This sample demonstrates once again syntax with the square bracket index to access individual items in the list, and also the fact that items can be accessed in any order. Here we print content of the list 20, 30, and 10 using the corresponding indices 1, 2, and 0, respectively. Now this is another feature of Python list index. We can also use negative index to access individual list items. For example, last element can be accessed with index -1, next to last element can be accessed with index -2, and initial element of our list can be accessed with index -3. So if I now run this program, you can see my negative indices also allow me to work with the list elements.